Do you want to earn money simply by giving your opinion, watching videos, and playing? Then this video is for you. Earn up to $6 easily through PayPal. Hello and welcome. A new video. This time I bring you a new website with which you will be earning easily. Super simple. The truth is that it is a new website. Now let's go back to the video so that you can see this new method. The website that we are going to be using is about Earn Honey. As you can see, this is a website where you will be able to win gift cards as well as money in different ways. And well, here you can see how it works with a simple video. That the truth is quite simple. And well, they have commercial partners of gift cards, for example money in PayPal, Amazon, eBay, to mention a few. The truth is super good, and in fact you could even donate it to the quality in case you are interested in donating, because I do not know how to do a good deed or that you want to do your altruistic action. The truth is that you can do it without any problem. Now the first thing will be to start for it. We are going to click here on login. And as you can see, we don't have an account, so we will simply register for it. Here, we are going to put our email account, a password, confirm the password here. If we have a registration code, we accept terms and conditions, and that's it. We are going to register in a fairly simple way, although it is also, you can do it in an even simpler way, simply with your Facebook or Google account. As you see here, we have the options. It can also be with Twitter or with a link. And well, let's log in. And as you see, you simply have to verify your email account to be able to log in. Now, once inside, as you can see, 3 options appear here. Obviously, we are going to select our gender, our income. I recommend you put a price range of this, never. PD to our balance now, because we already started on the website, but hey, how are we going to start earning? Be winning, and I am going to mention each one of them. We have WhatsApp, where you will simply have to see an offer to start earning. There it is. PD that you earn here, for example, with referrals. And here we have the offers, which are somewhat limited, to be honest, but in any case, there are several. Now here we also have different surveys. We are going to see each one of them to show you the different options. As I told you, we have apps and CCTV, that basically would be to install an application. We have offers, we have your opinions, which is the survey part. Basically, the only thing you do, like changing the window or changing where the window is, to tell you which website it is. And well, here you are going to earn money to complete offers, which in fact is quite simple. As you can see, you simply have to fill out this information. Although it seems quite enough, you will only have to do it once so that they start sending you more offers in a fairly simple way. Now, in which countries does it work? Well, the truth is that you can enter from anywhere in the world. Of course, where there are the most opportunities is in the United States, as always, but without any problem you can enter from anywhere in the world. In case you want to know in which countries, the truth is that it works practically everything the world. And well, finally we have the option to play. That right now we do not have offers to play available, but they will charge us as more options are unlocked. Remember, you can enter daily and complete different offers to start earning. Now you have keep in mind that an opt is equal to 10 cents, so this offer will be giving you $1. This I will only be giving you, for example, 1 cent. Obviously there will be surveys that will pay you more if you want. Know how much you earn per activity? Well, more or less see the range of 10 cents to $5 for surveys that are paying much more. Obviously they are going to be paying you much more money, with which, well, in a quite simple way you will be able to start earning more money in a fairly simple way. Now, how are you going to be able to collect to go? You are simply going to click here on standard redemptions, which would be, for example, standard withdrawals. And as you can see, you will be able to withdraw through different sources, for example through cards of Visa, through Coin, through Amazon, PayPal, and donate to quality. The truth is that you have a lot of different options with which you will be charging. Now I will be showing you each of them. For example, if you want to charge through a Visa, you can do it through your email account. Of course, make sure to verify your email account so that you reach the minimum payment threshold, which is only $5. The truth is that it is super good. We also have $10 and $25. Now we have other options such as PayPal, where we will also be able to withdraw from $5. Now it is quite important that you verify your email account so that you can continue withdrawing, otherwise they will not enable the options. And in fact, well, if you are going to be quite limited in that aspect, because what is the use of earning money if you are not going to be charging a single dollar? So that you keep it in mind, you have to confirm our email account to be able to withdraw. And how can I tell you the minimum amount? The withdrawal on the website is $5. but they also have VIP redemptions, the same from $5. As you can see here, for example, how many coins you would have to use to be able to withdraw. Here they are. And in fact, we have several options to withdraw. For example, you could withdraw $6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and so we are going to go up to $25. The truth is that it is quite easy, and for example, here you could withdraw well through a prepaid Visa card through Bitcoin. That also in Bitcoin, yes, it is a little more high, and they go from $10 to $15, $20, and $25. In PayPal, it goes from $10, and the funds will be sent to the email account that you have registered here, so that you have that well in mind that you are not going to put an email that you are not using. Besides that, you can do it later, right? But it is more convenient that you verify your email account from the beginning, or that you put the same account that you are going to be using in PayPal so that they send you the money there easily. These are the VIP options, the withdrawals through these forms. We continue to have the standard withdrawal forms that go from $5 the same. And here you will be able to see your withdrawal history and others. Now, latest opinions on this website. The truth is that it is a good website from which you can earn good money now. What I did not like so much is that it is quite limited with respect to the options we have to earn, since although we do have some, I feel that there are many better options with which you can to be earning even more. One of them would be with Swagbucks, which I personally like much more now. If you don't know Swagbucks, the card will appear here, and it will also be in the comment pinned in the description, so that you can withdraw with a website that I particularly like. The minimum amount of withdrawals of $5. And the truth is that this website is not bad, simply that I think better options. See you in a next video. Until the next.